peeps in the space, my unicorns, my stars. Welcome if you are new here, welcome back. If you are already a subscriber, please turn on your notifications so every time I share a new video, you would know. In this channel, I try to create positive content as much as possible. And today we are going to talk about love because that's the Pride Month. I never forget my first lecture at the university. First day, first lecture, I just met 70 new people at the classroom. I'm 18 years old. Lecturer walks inside and she says, we are going to talk about love today. I thought that I came here to study sociology. What kind of class is that? We talk that there's nothing wrong with falling in love with the same genders. And we are living in 21st century. There are still people who are afraid of coming out because they're afraid of losing their friends, they're afraid of losing their families, and they're even afraid of being hated, being killed. And there's nothing wrong with falling in love with the same gender, or there's nothing wrong about thinking that you were born in a body that you are not supposed to be born with, perhaps. Today I'm going to create a look inspired by rainbow and LGBTQ community by mostly using watercolor. So that's a very simple look. Stick together, support the community, and we share love no matter what. I love you guys. So let's move into the video. Around 10 minutes ago, I applied a coconut oil on my face because my skin is super dry. Applying my foundation from Clinique, even better. Highlighter. I'm going to use the bronze color and then the peach one as a blush. Stars on my face and they look like I have prickles, which makes me a natural redhead, right? Now I'm going to paint them using the rainbow colors. One trick is to change the water as much as possible, otherwise you would end up destroying the lighter colors. Another trick is don't try to fix it, because every time you try to fix it, you would end up enlarging your star. Now I'm going to repeat every step for this side of my face as well. Subscribe because it means not weeds. It means worlds to me. I know that most of my viewers are not actually my subscribers, so why not? And give a thumbs up if you like this look. Who doesn't like a nice rainbow, right? Share with your friends, put this makeup on, take your pictures and share with me on social media. You can find the links down below and turn on your notifications. Bye till the next time.